everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show how to create a free website for an animal photographer using OLitube Site Builder. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So we'll start off by editing the name. I'll change to the freelance animal photographer. So I leave this description. So I'm also not going to change the image, so I will go to the about section. We can remove we can edit this and say learn more about me. So there's nothing else to edit here. As you can see, it's quite simple. Then this is my resume. So this is the summary and my education. Let me just go back. Just an example. My address, my phone number, mail, and professional experience, something small. This is the education sector, so we're not going to edit anything there. So we'll go to services. So I had added some bit like fun days, birthdays, funerals, and zoos. So we can say capture fun moments, and finally enjoy. Let's say something like capture birthday moments. Next thing is funerals, capture funeral moments, and finally zoos and safaris, capture wild animals. A short description. So if we go to portfolio, we're going to change the images, so I'll double click on that, and I'll add certain images. I had already uploaded them, so I'll add that. It's a farm animal. We can add a pet image. We can add another image. We can add this one. The next image will be a horse. We can add the cat or the kitten. Can come back to the lion. Can come back to the farm animal, this one, and finally, or the last but not least, a couple of cute monkeys, and we can repeat one more image. Yes, the one of the chicken. So that's just an example. So for pricing, see my fair prices, something as simple as that. And as you can see, I'm saying I offer free services for birthday pictures. Funeral, the standard price is $19 per hour. Basic, those are farm animals, and safaris and zoos will do that for ultimate. So for the contact bit, this is going to look like simple email, simple phone number. So of course, as you know, to add the social media link, I'll click on that section, come to settings, go to target, add a new window, and I'll just add my Twitter account. So I'll say twitter.com stroke marketer theme. So that's how it's going to look like. As you can see, it's quite simple, and my target is a new window. So let's add Facebook. So for Facebook, I'll just copy I'll copy the same, but I'll add here Facebook, although that's not the real account. Of course, new window. The same goes for Instagram. Settings, and I'll change that to Instagram. As simple as that. So as you can see, it's quite simple to add your social links. This is Skype. I guess I'll just add this. This is Skype. And finally, LinkedIn. Settings, and finally LinkedIn. So as simple as that. So let's change this and say the freelance animal photographer. No need for that description. So copyright, the freelance animal photographer, and we can change this link. Let's change the text first. So I'll say the freelance animal photographer. As you can see, it's quite simple. So that is the link. So we'll click on the settings. Instead of elite, we'll change it to, you can use that for now, new window. So as you can see, it's quite simple. So we can visit this site and see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Home takes you there, but as you can see, the navigation bar, when you scroll down, it's invisible. So we can go back to our editor, click on the header, come to decorations. For the background color, we can choose to use a dark background color and say okay. Let's use that and say okay. So as you can see, it's auto saving. If we revisit it, it has changed its color. So the last thing we'll do is we'll change the name of the website. We'll come to websites dashboard, click on more actions, SEO, and say the freelance animal photographer. We'll save that, come to the description, we'll just use the same and save it. If you refresh the site, as you can see, it has reflected. So as you can see, it's quite simple to create your website using Olate Website Builder. We've added images, we've added social links, and that's pretty much it. So in the next video, I'll show how to connect domains and add product blocks, and basically how to create an online store using Olate Website Builder. So thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe.